Hey there, grill enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the features of the DNKMOR Portable Charcoal Grill, a compact powerhouse perfect for outdoor cooking adventures like camping, beach outings, and picnics. This small yet mighty grill is designed with a sturdy wood handle for easy transport and is built to last with solid metal construction and premium chrome wire mesh, ensuring resistance to heat and scratches. Its thoughtful design includes a chimney on the lid for optimal ventilation and a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control, making it easy to achieve that perfect smoky flavor. Inside, you'll find a chrome cooking grid and a charcoal pan, all of which are easy to assemble with the detailed instructions provided. Just grab a few basic tools, and you're ready to go. Whether you're planning a backyard barbecue or a beachside feast, this grill is a fantastic gift for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Plus, DNKMOR offers friendly customer service, promising to address any issues within 12 hours, so you can grill with confidence. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game with the DNKMOR Portable Charcoal Grill. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.